This is the JBL Xtreme 4, one of the most powerful portable speakers from JBL. I've tested it alongside pretty much every speaker in JBL's lineup to see if the Xtreme 4 is really a good choice. So, in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up and use the JBL Xtreme 4, how the sound quality and durability perform, especially compared to other speakers, and everything else that you need to know before buying it. In the box, you'll get the JBL Xtreme 4 itself, a carry strap, a USB Type-C charger, a quick start guide, and a warranty card. Using this speaker is super easy. All you need to do is press the power button once, and it'll go right into pairing mode. You'll know it's ready to connect when the Bluetooth button starts blinking with a white light. If it doesn't automatically go into pairing mode, just press the Bluetooth button yourself to activate it. After that, go to your device's Bluetooth settings, look for JBL Xtreme 4 in the list of available devices, and just tap on it to pair. You'll hear a little sound when it's connected. The JBL Xtreme 4 has this awesome feature called Auracast, which lets you connect other speakers with the same Auracast technology so that you can play music on all of them at once. To set it up, just make sure all the speakers are powered on, then press the Auracast button on your Xtreme 4. You'll hear a sound when it's ready. Press the Auracast button on the other speakers you want to connect, and now they're all linked up and ready to fill your entire room with music. The Xtreme 4 comes with 6 control buttons on the top. First of all, we have the Auracast button, followed by the power button and the Bluetooth pairing button. Then there's the volume up and down buttons, along with a play-pause button. You can also double-tap the play-pause button to skip to the next song, and a triple-tap to go back to the previous song. The Xtreme 4 also works with the JBL Portable app. This app is available on the App Store or the Google Play Store. Once the Xtreme 4 is connected to your phone, the app shows you a bunch of settings that you can adjust. You can make changes in the equalizer to customize the sound to your taste. There's also a Playtime boost feature that gives you an extra 6 hours of playtime. Plus, if you want stereo sound, you can actually connect 2 JBL Xtreme 4 speakers using the stereo group feature. Just power on the second speaker, select stereo group in the app, and both speakers will automatically sync up to fill your room with stereo sound. The Xtreme 4 has a solid build quality, and it's better than all the speakers that I've tested so far. The speaker's wrapped in a tough fabric that adds some protection and gives it a bit of grip, so it won't be sliding out of your hand easily. The ends of the speaker are covered in rubber, which helps absorb any drops or bumps. My favorite part has to be the strap. When attached, it makes carrying the speaker around super easy. The JBL Xtreme 4 features that classic cylindrical design that JBL is known for. It measures just over 11.5 inches long and about 6 inches wide, weighing in at over 4.5 pounds. Even with that weight, it's surprisingly easy to carry around, especially when the strap is attached, making it a great choice to take outdoors. The Xtreme 4 also comes with a rubberized base that helps keep it stable on flat surfaces. With an IP67 rating, the JBL Xtreme 4 is both waterproof and dustproof. This means you can take it to the beach or a pool party without worrying about it getting wet or dirty. The sound quality on the JBL Xtreme 4 is seriously awesome, and it's better than any of the other speakers I've tested so far. It covers a nice range of sounds from deep bass at 44 Hz to super high notes at 20 kHz. With its 2 woofers, 2 powerful drivers, and dual pumping JBL bass radiators, this speaker really plays out some dynamic and immersive sound. The bass hits hard, and you get those clear highs and smooth mids that make the listening experience so much better. I'm really impressed by how loud this speaker can get without getting distorted at all. Even at full volume, everything stays clear, which is something you don't get to see with other portable speakers. With Bluetooth 5.3, the JBL Xtreme 4 gives you better power efficiency and a more stable connection, so you won't have to deal with dropouts or lag while using this speaker at all. One really great feature of this speaker is its replaceable battery. The Xtreme 4 already offers an impressive 24 hours of playtime, which is impressive in itself, but if you find yourself without a charger, you can easily swap in a fresh battery to keep the music going. As I mentioned earlier, you can add an extra 6 hours of playtime by activating the Playtime Boost feature in the JBL app. When the battery's getting low, the LED on the bottom of the speaker will blink red, but you can also check exactly how much battery you have left on your Xtreme 4 in the JBL Portable app. After using the JBL Xtreme 4 for a while, I can confidently say it's a solid option among compact speakers. If you're looking for something portable that delivers an amazing sound and has impressive battery life, the JBL Xtreme 4 is definitely one of the best choices out there.